Alright, I'm having problems with my Nakamichi 680ZX cassette deck. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it on. And it automatically starts playing. It never did that before. I'm not sure why it did that. But I know this cassette plays, but if you look at the meter, there's no signal. However, when I look at my digital audio workstation, I do see a signal. And now I'm going to stop play on the cassette. And even with no cassette playing, there's still a signal. Furthermore, I'm only getting signal on one channel. I ran this track in stereo because I'm not getting a signal on the other channel. And now I'm going to shut the cassette deck off. So I consulted Willy Hermann regarding this problem, and I came up with a remedy for it. According to him, these switches on this right bank become dirty, so he recommends to move them back and forth a number of times with the tape deck off. I already did that on my own time, and I moved each one of them back and forth for a total of 2 minutes each. So now that that's been done, let's turn on the deck. We'll wait a few minutes or a couple seconds here and notice that the play button is not automatically coming on. And that's because I have this switch, the timer, set to off. I could switch it to play, so when I turn on the tape deck it automatically plays, but I don't have mine set like that. So that's good. And there's no discrepancy here on the signal. The tape is not playing and there's no signal. That's good. And if we push play, everything looks normal. And if we go up to my digital audio workstation, we also see everything's looking normal. And I'll shut the tape off. That's very good. And I will power down the tape deck. And yes, everything's looking normal. Willy Hermann also told me that the switches on the right bank are prone to oxidation. So even if you use your tape deck on a regular basis, but you're not moving the switches, then they can oxidize, and you may have that problem that I was demonstrating earlier in the video. So he recommends that from time to time, every once in a while, you just go ahead and move those switches back and forth, whether you're using them or not. For me, I have mine set the way I like it, so I leave it like that. But from now on, yeah, that'll be part of my maintenance cycle, is that I will move the switches back and forth maybe every week or something like that. Okay, well, thanks for watching my video. Have a good night.